Hi, I'm Marion Landry, Technical Marketing Specialist for Expression. In the last video, we learned how to edit content in the backend of Expression, and I introduced you to the bundle editor where we perform basic markup. In this exercise, we will continue on building on this knowledge and learn how to use custom fields. So let's get started. Custom fields allow developers to extend nearly any object in a system, such as articles, section, product, or what have you. They allow you to add additional properties such as media, text fields, or data. Let's use this basic article as an example. When the design or requirement calls for more than basic content objects, custom fields let you add the properties you need and use them in your markup right away. Let's go to the back end of Expression and navigate to the main menu, Settings tab, and click on Custom Fields. This will open the Custom Field Definition Listing panel. To create a new custom field, click on the ellipsis icon and choose Create. Let's name this new custom field Secondary Text. Next, simply pick a class from the list. Classes are the objects in Expression that a custom field is attached to. You can also assign multiple classes to a custom field. This will indicate where this custom field will display. For our example, we wanted to extend the article class. For the type field, select Text, because we want to add an additional text field to our article. Now let's save this new custom field. It should now appear in the list of custom fields and be searchable. Now let's go back to the About Us article and look for our new custom field. Browse the left panel of the article editor and click on the custom fields. You'll notice that the secondary text field is now available in the custom field pane. Let's add some text to our new secondary description field. Make sure to save and publish the article. If you refresh your browser, the secondary description will not be visible because we haven't added it to the new custom field in our markup yet. To do so, we need to edit the code in the element and get our custom field to display in the front end. To do this from the front end editor, simply click on the Edit Code icon and it will take us right to the appropriate bundle and straight to the right markup. In our case, we need to edit a bundle named About Us. Let's modify the About Us page element and some markup and add a path for the new custom field, which is in this case embedded.customfields.secondarytext. As you can see, Expression also provides an autocomplete feature for basic CSS variables and custom fields, which really helps you get to your data fast. When you're done, save the bundle and refresh the browser. The new description field now appears at the bottom of the body text. Now let's say we want to add a secondary image to a page. We'll do that again by using custom fields. The process is exactly the same. Let's go back to the main menu of Expression and click on the Settings and Custom Field tab. Click on the ellipsis icon and choose Create. We'll name this new custom field Secondary Image. The class we'll need is Article as well, but this time we'll select Image as the type. Now let's save our new custom field. Let's go back to the About Us article and open the article editor. Browse to the custom field menu and scroll down a bit to access our new secondary image field. Let's load an image by clicking the ellipsis icon on the right side of the screen. This will open the Media Explorer where I can select an image to insert in my article. Like we did last time, we need to go and add the path to the new custom field in the element markup. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's modify the About Us page element and add our new custom field. To make things easy, I'll just use the same chunk of basic HTML for embedding an image and change the path name to embedded.customfields.embedded.secondaryimage.name and save the bundle. Now let's refresh the browser to see the changes reflected on the website. Now I know you're asking, what happened to the display if an image isn't added in the article editor? To illustrate, I'm going to remove it from the article editor and save and publish the article. When I refresh the page, it appears that the image is a broken link, which is no good. We need to build in some conditional display logic so that this doesn't happen. Let's go back to the bundle editor and open the About Us page element where we can add some conditional syntax. Using handlebars, let's apply a condition to our code that specifies whether the secondary image renders or not. Once that's done, save the bundle. Et voila, it no longer appears broken. And when I do add a secondary image, it will appear according to our markup. Let me show you another feature to avoid clutter and organize your custom fields into sets. As you can see, when I open the article editor and navigate to the Custom Fields tab, there's a lot of fields that complicate the user experience. Let's clean it up and minimize confusion for users. To do this, I'll use what we called content type definitions. These allow us to define sets of custom fields so that they can be used more efficiently. Click on the ellipsis icon on the right side and choose Create. This will open the Content Type Definitions editor. Let's name this set About Article and set the content class to Article. As you can see, the current list contains a list of the default custom fields, as well as some of older ones that were already created. Let's choose to display only the secondary text and the secondary image custom field from the list by simply clicking on them. Once done, we'll save this new custom field set. If we go back to the article editor for the About Us article and click on the Custom Field tab, you can choose a custom field profile for this article. Let's select the About article set that we've just created as a profile. When we do this, only the secondary text and secondary image fields are displayed for this article, which really simplifies the workflow. Also, when you save the article after selecting a custom field set, it will automatically be saved for the next time you edit the article again. It's always a good practice to keep your custom fields clean and tidy and displayed in sets. This will help create clarity and efficiency for content creators, as well as form a strong foundation for organizing your data. Custom fields allow you to easily extend expression objects in order to meet more complex project and UX requirements.